mild-mannered employee by day, Blogtv personality by night. You're watching TDC Moncton.
Folks, one thing that we all can agree with is that weather is awesome. Mother Nature has more potency in one of her pinky fingers, and it's not a joke. I don't know if you can hear this right now. And this is a windstorm. It's not a hurricane. I live too far inland for a hurricane, or even windfall from a hurricane. There's none coming this way, but there's a massive storm system that's moving from Ontario, and we're being affected by it. Let me see if I can actually give you some shots from the outside. When the wind is actually blowing, I don't know if you can hear that. The house shudders. I'll suffice it to say that I'm happy I'm indoors. I'm happy I've got electricity, because there are some people that don't have any right now because of the power outage. And I'm happy that I can fall asleep pretty much in any situation, because, you know what? I'll be sleeping like a baby even when this is actually blowing like there's no tomorrow. Anyways, folks, have a nice one.